Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. Today is August 16, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be August 17, 2021 in London. Again, we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil for you guys. I'll be giving you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at during the London session. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Well, with that said, guys, let's go ahead and pop into it. So for S&P 500, we did have some downward movement. Try to reach one of our main levels right around here at 44.3150. Stops a little bit short of that, right around 44.32 to 33, right around that area, and kind of pushed right back up. You can see we shot all the way back up into those 44.7550s before we started to see the market try to pull down again. So for S&P 500 for the London session, want to see if we catch the support here either at 62.50 or 56 even. Get these bounces off this area. If we find support here, may end up looking for a nice move back to the upside. If not, we could collapse underneath this 56 and then see the market try to pull down to our next level of 43.50, and then below that 44.3150 as the next support down below. So we'll see what actually happens, but right now we already rejected off those 75.50s, so want to see if we get the support first during that London session. Let's move over to a smaller chart here. So coming up here on this smaller chart for S&P 500, you can see as we take a closer look here, market is coming down into our areas of support. We actually don't need this as a measure move. We already hit it. So right around here, 62.50, waiting to see if we get this nice bounce of support, maybe a nice double bottom, fail to get through, and then pop right back up to the upside. So we'll see if that happens. If not, look for it to try to come into these 56s, and if not there, next level down 44.30, 44.4350 as the next area of support. Below that, again, our main support 44.3150 as the level underneath that. So we'll see what happens there on S&P. Let's take a look here on gold, see what's happening. So gold had nice movement to the upside, did pull back a little bit, found some support as it was gradually trying to climb up, but you can see we climbed as high as 1790.2, that area, and we're trying to see if we can find some support here at these 86.5s or 83.8s. Now I do want to see if we find the support here and maybe bounce. If not, down below that 83.8, maybe get a nice bounce to try to retest the level above 1793.8, and then above that 1800.9 as the next levels of resistance. Now we get underneath that 83.8, next level of support 1776.2, and then 1773.1 as the next levels down for the support area. So we'll see what happens. Let's move over into a smaller chart here on gold for you guys. Now I do want to see if gold can actually pull back right back into this area, maybe reject here and then get a nice bounce. Again, if we don't get that bounce there to see the upside, I'm going to be waiting out for these 83.8s, maybe get a nice move from there, get that support, and then bounce to the upside again. I am anticipating gold to try to retest 1793.8 and then above that into the 1800s. So I do think we'll still continue bullish, but we'll wait out to get the support at our key levels here, or our major areas right around these 86s or 83.8s. Below that 76.2 and 73.1 as the next set levels of support down below. Now if you want to have that short opportunity, you're going to try to short it here at these 93s. Probably don't want to, I don't know if I'm really comfortable with doing it here at 1790.2, so I'm going to leave that alone, but 93.8, and if not, next level up right around these 1799 to about 1800s as the opportunity to try to get the rejection and come right back down from that area. So we'll see what happens. Moving over into crude oil, let's take a look at what's happening here on crude oil. So we had nice downward movement on crude oil, and then we started to pull right back up. Came close to our level of 65.67. Nice V bottom off that area, and then started to move back up from there. So I'm anticipating maybe we get this pullback, just maybe we get the pullback into 66.98, and then the support from there to try to head up into 68.05. Above 68.05, 68.83 as the next level, and then above that 69.26 as the area of resistance above that. So we'll see what happens there. Now below 66.98, next level down 66.39, and below that 65.67 as the next levels of support down below. So we'll see what happens here on crude oil, but those are going to be our levels for crude oil. But that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Again, if you're struggling to find consistency with trading, feel free to become a Pure Structure member with us. Take some coaching sessions, maybe a coaching program with us. We would love to help you find consistency and success in trading. Other than that, team, if you guys continue to trade tonight, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care.